It's coming about 1 mile. Let's see the train, what it is. They're the Daners. Gates going down. Let's see what it is. I bet we got a BNSF Autorack. Cars. He was motoring, Jack. That Autorack train's bucking, Jack. Check it out. We got BNSF with our 2 ET44C4 leading Autorack train. They were hauling about Chevy Sliverado, Ram 2500 trucks, and Ford F-150s, and Ford F-350s, and Chevy Exuinox, and Hyundai Sonatra, and Hyundai Pilot, and Volkswagen. And finally, there were Chevy Ford Expedition. Symbol that train was BNSF ET44C4. That train here originates at Blue Island, Illinois. Excuse me. Heads west, going to San Bernardino, California. Happened on Wednesday, January 11, 2023. By Tyler McCully Wide, World of Trains on YouTube. I'm gonna take a look. That sign says in the station. It says. The station say La Plata. Yep, station says La Plata. And we got a flag, we got an Amtrak map. There's a car going by. It was a Ford. By Tyler McCully Wide, World of Cars and Trains and Transportation. So, alright, here's the next video. Roll it.